Namaste. Today I am teaching yoga for the kidney problems. Before entering the yogic path, we should know more about the kidneys. Kidneys are located either side of the spine below the ribs and they are bean shaped. Kidneys are going to filter more than 200 liters fluid per day and kidneys are going to separate the water. It separates the waste from the body and waste water will get added in the urine, and kidneys are going to separate the sodium means salt and protein. Kidneys are going to filter more than 95% sodium per day. What are all the causes for the kidney problems? Lack of sleep, lack of exercise, and excessive intake of salt, sugar, overeating, obesity, and living under the tension all the time, the non-maintenance of the diabetes and high BP, much usage of caffeine and tannin means coffee and tea causes kidney problems. Due to lack of water, blood become thick, then blood movements become slow, cause kidney problems, and smoking and alcohol. These are all the major cause for the kidney problems. Namaste. Sit in a Vajrasana. Rest your palms on the ground, left side of the body. Exhale and bend the waist sideways to the left. Take the head down and rest your forehead on the ground between the palms. Hold the pose for 60 seconds with deep breathing. Then inhale, come to the Vajrasana pose and relax. Now repeat the same thing on the other side. You should join the thighs properly, join the head toes, and you should not raise the back. Inhale and come to the Vajrasana pose and relax. Next is Ekapada Pavana Muktasana. Lie on the back, fold the left leg, holding by the hands, raise the head up. Touch the chin to the left knee. While exhaling, you should raise the head up. Stay for 60 seconds with the deep breathing. Then inhale, come to the resting pose and relax. Then repeat the same thing on the other side. Here, you should apply the pressure on the kidneys. Inhale and come to the Shavasana pose and relax. Ardha Dhanurasana, lie on the stomach. Fold the right hand, take the left hand back, hold your left leg here by the left hand, exhale, rise your chest and the head. Hold the pose for 60 seconds. Then inhale, come to the resting pose and relax. Then repeat the same thing on the other side. Should raise your chest and the head. Should keep the opposite leg, toe should be inside. Should not hold the breath anywhere. Now inhale and come to the Makarasana pose and relax. Next is Ardha Padma Pavana Muktasana. Fold the left leg and rest your left foot on the root of the right thigh. Fold the right leg, holding by the hands. Exhale and raise the head up. Touch the chin to the right knee if possible, or keep the head close to the knee joint. Hold the pose for 60 seconds with the deep breathing. Then inhale, come to the resting pose and relax. Then repeat the same thing on the other side. You should not hold the breath anywhere. You should apply the pressure on the kidneys. Inhale, come to the resting pose and relax. What are all the signs of the kidney problems? Swelling of the arms, legs and the face. Severe pain of the stomach, mainly pain in the side portion of the stomach, and severe backache and feeling disturbed all the time, sleeplessness, nausea, vomiting sensation, color changes in the skin, itching, burning sensation, and color changes in the urine like yellowish, brownish and reddish of the urine, and feeling like passing urine again and again. These are all the sign of the kidney problems. What are all the food to be avoid during kidney problems? First thing, you should avoid much consumption of salt and sugar. Avoid consumption of bakery products and dairy products, and excessive intake of junk food also causes to major problems. Among one is kidney problems. Much of water, only 2 liters water is enough for the healthy kidneys, so enough, that much is enough. Consumption of more water become burden for the kidneys. And you should not have Spanish, it's called palak soppu. What are all the food to be taken during kidney problems? You should have lots of leafy vegetables. Only you should not have Spanish, palak soppu. You can have rest of the leafy vegetables, and you can have vegetables properly, and should consume 2 liters of water per day, and should have coriander properly, kotamari soppu, and this one belulli, that's garlic and onion. These are all the advisable food during kidney problems. Have food on time. Timely food can provide clear generation of the digestive juices and all, that helps to promote the kidney health. And you should have lots of fruits and vegetables. You should not have Spanish in the green vegetables, that's palak soppu. Should not use that. Avoid lifting weight more than that of your body weight. And next thing, sleep on time and get out of the bed on time. That helps to promote your health. Because when we sleep, we are going to generate more than 1 crore of tissues. If you skip the sleep, you are going to stop generation of tissues. It might become part of any part of the body, that cause major problems. Mainly it might cause kidney problems. And when we skip the sleep, automatically we get strain of the brain cells, we get anger for everything, BP will get shoot up, so we get severe problems. I wanted to say is, you should sleep on time and you should get out of the bed on time, and stop taking much of bakery products and dairy products. And excessive intake of salt and sugar causes to major kidney problems. And person who lives under the tension for longer time will get a problem. So better to practice meditation every day. Take it cool, whatever it is, you should take it easy. And should not have painkillers for even in the small reason also. Having painkillers also make the blood thick, and it become slow blood movements that affect the kidney health. And exercise will reduce cholesterol and controls BP, that helps to promote the kidney health. These are all the tips to be maintained for healthy kidneys. Practice yoga daily, which I have shown here, and follow the tips properly and get a healthy life. Happy time.